All right, so once you finalize your formula, you're going to want to make sure to save and calculate here. Again, here is going to show you your estimated serving size of 2 capsules a day, your wholesale price of $153.80 a day. You're going to click Save and Order here. I'm going to show you your patient name, whether you're ordering capsules or powder, the supply that you're ordering. In this case, it's 90 days, and then it's $153.80 total. Just to show you, if you were to increase it to 180-day supply and double your supply, the cost only went up by $30. So something to keep in mind if your patient can order a 6-month supply, it's encouraged because it's beneficial to them. So then you go ahead and click checkout. Regular ground shipping is $13. There's 2-day and 3-day shipping options as well if you wanted to go with that. And then here, if your patient has ordered in the past, you'd be able to select their address here. You can ship directly to the patient or to your office. That's up to you. So you're going to put the shipping information for the order there. Then this will have your credit card information saved for the practice. We will charge, the practice, and then you are charging the patient. We recommend that you charge the patient prior to ordering it because this is all custom. Once an order has been placed, typically it's blended pretty quickly, which means that the order cannot be canceled. So again, we recommend that you charge the patients your retail price, and then once that's done, you can go ahead and place your order here. So then you just click process, and you will get an order confirmation.